Hey everybody, Eagle Run 23 here. It's my favorite day of the month. You know, I thought when I left the house today that there's a possibility that it could be today, and it turns out when I got home, it was today. We're talking about the TacPack day. It's my favorite day. Love getting the TacPack. Where is my knife? I was just thinking about TacPack yesterday because the Glock box is coming out, and if you're interested, it's the very end, last chance to try to get in. The Glock box comes in like late April, early May. I don't have a discount code for the Glock box because it's kind of a standalone thing. But if you're interested in getting a monthly subscription box, I do have a code for you. Eagle Run 23 will get you a free bonus box that ships out separate. Pay for your TacPack and then you'll get a bonus box. So kind of a cool deal there if you are interested in getting it. Let's see what's in the box. Wow, this thing is jam full. Full. All right, try not to look at anything in here. I want to get that card. I need to tell them to put the card on the top so I don't have to spoil any of this. I would like to give you guys my honest reaction. First item up is a set of mechanics gloves. I have a set of mechanics gloves, and I was just looking because Optics Planet has a deal going on right now on some mechanics gloves, and I almost ordered a pair. Thanks, TacPack. I'm not ordering a pair now. Oh, we've got a bolt catch. I like little things like this. This is a CMMG bolt catch. Looks like it's just an upgraded one that has a larger paddle at the bottom. They call it the CMMG Zeroed Extended Bolt Catch. Oversized paddle, lifetime guarantee. We will put that on our next gun. Oh, no way. I've always wanted one of these. This is a tech mat, a gun tech mat. It looks like it's one of those schematic ones that says AR-15. I think that's kind of cool. Let's see what it says here. All the parts are laid out. It's got that cool little work surface. We're going to use this. You'll see this in a video in the future. Oh, we've got some more stuff from My Medic. It's kind of like a bonus add-on kit to your first aid kit. It's got gauze, a gauze pad, some antiseptic towels, hand wipes, ointments. So this would be just like a booster pack for your current first aid kit. And it looks like you can leave it like this, all sealed up. It's got the Ziploc like that. I don't know if you guys are like me, but I need to do better about my first aid kit. First aid kit's a little lacking. I'm good on Band-Aids though. I have a ton of Band-Aids. It's just some of the other stuff's not so good. Oh, also from My Medic, we have a bug and sting. Oh, bite and sting. Bite and sting. So this is another little bonus booster pack for your first aid kit. Throw this in there. We've got that Super Skin Band-Aids, 2 of those. Allergy relief, pain reliever. Oh, that's handy. Okay, lots of cool stuff in there just to throw into your first aid kit. Leave it sealed up and have a little booster kit. I like that idea. One more thing from Mechanic. Oh, Mechanic eyewear. This is some vision safety. Let's rip these open. Hey, those are pretty darn flashy. Wow. So these are some rated shooting glasses. We've got some side protection, UV, reflective, wraparound style. These are kind of cool. I'll definitely use these. We always need more safety glasses. And the sticker of the month is that Papa Smurf? Who is that? It is Papa Smurf. Sorry, I'm not so fluent with my Smurfs. It's been a while, but Papa Smurf packing a suppressed AR-15. That's probably a 300 blackout. All right, I dig all the stickers. And it just so happens that the last thing I grabbed is the plus item of the month. So this is the TacPack Plus that I have here. You can get the TacPack Plus as well. Use code EagleRun23. And we have a really cool EOS knives. Ooh, we're gonna have to open this. So this is actually a TacPack exclusive. Anna Stone, hey. My dog just came out here, grabbed a piece of trash off the floor, and ran into the house with it. So the plus item for April is a knife, and this is a really cool knife, EOS, which stands for Elite Outfitting Solutions. So it looks like TacPack and EOS teamed up to make this exclusive knife. Comes in a really cool sheath. Pulling this out of the package and just holding it and looking at it, this is not a cheap knife. This is a nice knife. We've got a really cool designed blade there. I like when they're flat like that. Easy to keep sharp. G10 handles. I don't know the type of steel and it does not say, but I'm assuming it's some pretty good quality steel to be at this price point. And the sheath is actually really cool as well. I don't know are you supposed to weave in there and like turn this into a neck knife or something? Or is this, I mean, it's big enough that like you could probably put that on your belt. I really like fixed edges. I think they're kind of cool. Maybe you could put some sort of pocket clip on there so it could like kind of hang on your belt or something, but really, really cool. This is exciting. I like this plus item. Yeah, in my opinion, this really screams quality. So fantastic item for the plus item. Now we do have some hints for May, and as I told you also in May, the Glock box is coming out. That's the TacPack Glock box edition. It's coming out. Of course, they'll keep doing their normal April, May, June tac packs. This is just the bonus Glock box. They do it once a year. It's like the 6th or 7th year that they've done it. I've never gotten one before. I just recently became aware of TacPack, so a lot of this stuff is new to me. This will be my first Glock box. I definitely have one coming, which is exciting. Okay, so our May hints here, the standard box is a Mission First Tactical EDC specialty item. And then it says some goon stuff, all right? And then some grip stuff. And then the plus box is a Reptilia with brand new product hitting the TacPack market for the first time. Reptilia, I don't know what Reptilia, maybe that's a brand. Reptilia is with a brand new product. Okay, May is gonna be pretty cool as well. Thank you to TacPack. Thank you guys for watching. I'm enjoying getting this box and going over it. It really has been fun to be able to put all of these things into our builds. This one will go on to a build coming up. If you're watching this video and this is the first time you're here because you got the TacPack and you want to see my opinions on the stuff, that's great. What I do here on Eagle Run 2-3, if this is your first time, is we go through and look at components and we build a lot of guns, lots of AR-15s, some pistols. We do some 80% stuff. I'm just getting into some long range stuff. We reload. We've got 8.6 blackout. That's the kind of stuff that I do. So there's a build usually for a rifle every single month. Sometimes there's 2 rifles in a month. Sometimes there's a rifle and a pistol, all sorts of stuff. We've got a little bit of a backlog right now at the Cerakote shop. I need to go by and hustle them and see if they've got our stuff ready so we can introduce the next one. And then I've got another one and there's 3 5.56 coming up in the next 2 months. So 3 5.56 builds are all budget builds. One of them is not a budget build. One of them is actually pretty expensive, but some budget-minded alternatives that you could jump into after you see what I've done with some of this stuff. So, all right, so thanks for watching. Right here up on the screen, YouTube thinks that you're gonna like this video, so let me know if they got it right or not. They think you'll like this video. They usually know what they're talking about. All right, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.